Texas City has taken a major risk, investing thousands of dollars into a system that's supposed to save money on their town's electric bills.
Well, after a year and a half, they've gotten a 400% return on their investment. CW33's Tommy Noel takes you to Kennedale to find out how they're doing it.
Kennedale, Texas, population 7,100. As cities across the nation deal with shrinking budgets, the Tarrant County town actually has some extra money on its hands.
We're always happy when we can take a tax dollar and stretch it much further.
The city invested $8,000 in several units that claim to save money on electricity bills. The units worked.
We've saved about $40,000.
Peak Energy Technology was started by Arlington resident William Wiedemann. Their product recycles electricity.
Who doesn't want to recycle and who doesn't want to save money?
Peak uses the motors and transformers already in your home, like ACs, washing machines, and even video games.
They all need magnetic energy to function.
Wiedemann uses a sample motor in this demonstration.
We are buying from the power company about 7 amps.
Flip on the switch that recycles the energy.
You can see now we're only buying about a little over 2.5 amps. Where did the other current come from? Well, that's from right here. So we're recycling that magnetic energy.
This type of technology is nothing new. Power and electric companies are using it right now. See those 4 vertical boxes on top of that power pole? Well, it's that same kind of technology that's now being put in homes and businesses to help save money. Money that helps Kennedale's budget across the board.
We haven't had to increase our tax rate.
Right now, 5 Kennedale locations have Peaks units, with 2 wells as the biggest money savers. But City Hall, the library, and Senior Citizen Center have also saved a nice chunk of change in the last 18 months.
That money's really rolled back and has helped finance a lot of the street improvements that you see around town today.
And it's not just cities. The same type of unit can be installed in a home. Total cost for a homeowner around $600. Peak says you'll notice a difference in the first month. In Kennedale, Tommy Noel, CW33 News.